Specialized skills are what make U.S. soldiers the best in the world, and elite training programs help them to grow and stay on the cutting edge. The Army National Guard Warrior Training Battalion exists to do just that. Its mission is to train critical soldier skills and increase readiness, and it's where, as a Guard soldier, you can get the additional training that will make you stand out.
For the Army National Guard Warrior Training Battalion, functional schooling is our chief motif. So they're taking away those functional skills, the ability to do sling load operations, the ability to run airborne operations. So they're taking away all these skills to take back to the unit.
So one of the crucial things that the Warrior Training Battalion brings to the National Guard Bureau and the Army as a whole is increasing readiness. This battalion is the tip of the spear to get us ready and get us prepared for that next fight.
The Warrior Training Battalion's specialized schools go far beyond what you receive in basic combat training. You may have the opportunity to attend the Ranger Training Assessment course, which will help prepare you for the challenges of Ranger School, or the Pathfinder course, where you will learn how to coordinate ground and aviation units. Each course is designed to provide you with new capabilities: Jump Master, Master Fitness Trainer, Air Assault. These and the many other disciplines available will give you the skills and confidence to help you excel.
You're able to bounce around different organizations and become a subject matter expert in everything from aviation operations, procedures while in the aircraft, Pathfinder operations, air assault operations, Jump Master, and all those things. So you're able to really diversify yourself as a soldier and compete with any branch, any compo soldiers in terms of domain knowledge and skill.
I think just the amount of training and what they're exposed to in the course is a huge example of, what is going to help make them a combat multiplier. Because really that's what we're trying to do here, is when we produce that functional training, we're giving their unit an asset. We're giving them a combat multiplier that they didn't have before.
Whatever you get through a school like this enhances your military career in that way, where you're more confident, you have an additional skill set that a lot of places, a majority of don't have.
The instructors of the Warrior Training Battalion will make sure you get the most out of your training time. They all undergo extensive training and credentialing programs to prepare them to conduct their assigned courses. And there is also one other factor that makes them stand out.
What sets the Army National Guard Warrior Training Battalion apart from any other unit, I would say, in the world, is that everybody here, 100% of us are volunteers. That's a different aesthetic. It brings a different energy. It brings a different urgency to the organization because everybody wants to be here. Everybody wants to do an amazing job.
When you have cadre that want to be here, it produces a better product. The students can tell, their peers can tell.
The cadre here was really professional. They're a lot of fun. They're very motivating. They keep the class entertaining even when there's long days. They definitely keep us all very involved.
Courses can range from 5 to 30 days, and each has its own set of prerequisites. You will be paid during your time at the Warrior Training Battalion, in addition to what you earn from your regular Army National Guard duties. This paid training can also lead to success in your civilian goals.
One of the great benefits here is the different schoolings that they're able to provide you. So myself, I was afforded the opportunity to go to Master Fitness School and become a Master Fitness Trainer. That is aligning with my outside schooling to get my doctorate in physical education. So setting up here is giving me opportunity to do some of those courses within the Army that's going to help me on my civilian career.
A lot of these schools will teach you leadership capabilities, the toughness, and the tactics and techniques that you need to survive in combat and in life. As we know, oftentimes life can throw curveballs at you, but with the skills and the assets that you learn from here, you'll be able to take those on and not only improve your unit, but yourself, and then take that on into your civilian life as well with that toughness and those capabilities.
It's an amazing opportunity. I would recommend it to anyone to come to any of these courses.
If you would like to attend one or more of the courses offered by the Warrior Training Battalion, speak with your unit supervisors, Readiness NCO, or local recruiter about upcoming class schedules. They can provide you with information on any requirements or prerequisites needed for the course you'd like to attend. You can explore more information about the Army National Guard Warrior Training Battalion online and on Facebook or Instagram.